How to earn the USDT in Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to earn the USDT Tether on Binance, here is how you can do this step by step. First of all, make sure you install the latest version and log in using your credentials. Once you have done it, you have to navigate to Wallet, or you can say Portfolio section, which is present on the bottom right corner. Once you tap on the wallet option, it will give you or take you to another page. From here, select on deposit. After that, you have to choose the spot wallet, or from the search bar, you can type in USDT. This should now require you to verify the account first, and once you do it, you have to go to the earn section. Again, select USDT. Choose the amount of USDT you want to deposit. You can select the maximum or enter a specific amount. Once that is done, tap on confirm to deposit your USDT, and you will earn on your deposited USDT, which is currently at 17.08. So this is all for today's video. If you found it helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Till then, keep watching.